If you are not a fan of protein powder but still looking for a high protein smoothie recipe, in this video I'm going to show you an easy muscle building protein smoothie with 40 grams of protein that will literally blow your mind without any protein supplements. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. In specific, today we are going to be making a homemade muscle building protein smoothie without any supplements. Some people are against protein powder. For some people, especially students, it can get a little expensive. Whatever the reason may be, don't you worry about it. I got you covered. This protein shake is literally going to blow your mind just because of the ingredients used and also because of how amazing it tastes. So if you are ready to get this recipe underway, go ahead, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump into my kitchen. To start off, in a blender, add 200 grams of boiled kidney beans. What? Wait, what? I'm sorry, I must have heard you wrong. What did you say? Yeah, kidney beans. I'm not kidding. Just trust me, guys, it is the star ingredient. I promise you it'll taste amazing. Kidney beans are packed with nutrients, fiber, and protein. On top of that, they add a great creamy texture to the smoothie. All you gotta do is cook them without adding any salt until they become soft as such. Next, let's add 1 large banana. They are a good source of potassium, antioxidants, and fiber. It also adds a great taste to the overall smoothie. Next up is 48 grams or 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's a great source of healthy fats and also has a decent amount of protein. After that, to sweeten it up a bit more, let's add 20 grams of natural honey, followed by 10 grams of cocoa powder to give it a rich chocolatey taste. And finally, 300 grams of fat-free milk. Not only does milk add creaminess to the smoothie, it also is a good source of protein. And that's about it. Time to blend all those ingredients up. And just look at that, guys. Add some ice to it if you'd like, or refrigerate it for a couple of hours and enjoy. That was a joke, guys. I was just playing around. It tastes really, really good, just like a chocolate shake. Moving on to the calories and the macros for this recipe. This entire smoothie is a total of about 847 calories, of which 124 grams are carbs, 26 grams are fat, and 40 grams are protein. And there you have it, guys. With about 40 grams of protein and over 800 calories, it is the perfect smoothie to have if you are looking to build muscle and pack on some size. And the best thing about it is that there is no protein supplement or protein powder in this recipe. And with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. If you liked it, go ahead and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe. And also one more thing, follow me on Instagram if you aren't following me already. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.